Welcome to Minnesota. Well, the weather is kind of a funny thing. You know, you can go from 50s to feels like 2 degrees, blowing snow. Good morning, Miss Rain. The animals were just kind of getting used to, you know, some nice warmer weather. Good morning, Rain. How you doing? Let's get some breakfast. The other animals are patiently waiting in the barn. We got the big girls. Looks like they've been out in the snow. They've got their barn, but Blueberry, my word, Blueberry. She has got quite the snow face, and so does Braga. Cavala's got her blanket on. They're having fun. Good morning. That's a little frozen. There we go. All right. Should we get you some breakfast, huh? Oh, you can see the drifting. That's the worst part with the wind. It's not so much the amount of snow, but it's blowing all over. Good morning, Mr. Baby. We got the piggies waking up. Peppermint, Eddie. Everyone is still, oh my word. We have Honey and Waddles. It looks like Sunny just found a little spot in there next to Dolly. Or Snoopy here. Dolly, you're up there. Well, you guys are patiently waiting for some breakfast. Sunny, how did you even get up there? Like, they let you in there. Where's your sister? Oh. And Starry is in the back there. I didn't even see you. These babies, they love to cuddle. Loki's ready. The pigs are always ready. Let's get some breakfast going. Got some sheep back here with Lucy. Lucy Loose. Lucy Loose. Theta. Sorry, Thistle. Thistle. We have little Theta just laying down here. She is the sweetest little thing. Miss Rain's like, yeah, let's go. Melvin, Mr. Baby. All right, come on, boys. Got to give the couple of animal crackers here for these guys being good. They don't really get any grain, so they get just a little treat, right? Melvin, you are... You're a big teddy bear. All right, Mr. Baby, there you go. All right, that's it, boys. That's it. Barbie, you've been outside a little bit, and you got a little snow on you. She's not afraid. I think she actually likes it. She'll run around in it. Barbie is not afraid of a little snow, are you? Well, let's go check on those big girls here. Supervisors have been awfully chatty this morning. Bert's up here in his little roost. Ernie is assuming the position here, guarding the sheep stall. Right, Oscar? Even the Packas are saying, you know, the barn is pretty nice. We got a little area for them here just to keep them out of the snow on these wonderful snowy days. And we better let Cinnamon and Goldie out for the day, but I'm thinking they're just going to stay in here. We got some food for them down here, and they got their heated water. I'm guessing they're going to stay in here today. Well, good morning, Cinnamon. Are you going to come out of bed? Face the world? I don't blame you. It's too nasty out. Just stay inside. You got everything here you need. Good morning, Braga. Do we need to get your pill? There you go. She gets her little med for her arthritis. Oh, it is blowing out here. Blueberry, my woolly mammoth. This isn't fun, is it? You got like icicles all over you. We got to get you in that barn. Cavala's got her blanket on. How you doing, girl? You're staying warm. We got their morning hay going on right now. This will, they won't be out grazing today, that's for sure. Right, Bregaboo? All right, we'll give them plenty of hay today, keeping these guys warm. And it's supposed to warm up pretty soon, so that'll be good. Check out this drift. Luckily, we got our little auto waterer. That stays warm. It's got the extra heater, which it needs in this blowing wind. Brega's got a little zoomies going on. This wind is gonna settle down, but man, right now it is just nasty. Another thing I like to do is bring a couple pans of water in the barn. The piggies enjoy it. They've got a pretty short inseam, so they can not navigate the snow drifts quite as easily. And I know they appreciate it. So we'll the temperature's supposed to come up, but if it freezes, we'll put some more in here for them. Our chickens have decided to start laying eggs. They kind of get the winter off, but look, we've got an egg. What is that worth now? About $8 a piece. We successfully got everybody fed. Now it is time to let these guys just chow down on hay. So we've got our little stations in the barn. On nice days, we put it outside, but on today, like I said, even the packas, the sheep, nobody is really too excited to go outside. They'll venture out a little bit. The sun's going to come out. Right, Barbie? It will get a little bit nicer. Just got to have some patience. To Minnesota, it is going to be, it's crazy, like 50 degrees and sunny. Our weather is kind of insane. You just got to go with it. Wake up to a snowstorm and it'll be t-shirt weather in no time. We're surviving. Thanks for checking in, everyone. Hope you're staying warm. Stay safe. Bye-bye.